Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I'm gonna make a quick video um, on the CRV. I got the rear bar. I finally got the rear bar for it. That shit's hella hard to find on these things, and I finally got it. It's the OEM one, and I'm gonna install it today. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna install that. And my brother's gonna install his today too. The side ones. These are his side ones right here. He's gonna use the paint thinner to take this off, so go back to his color. And this is the rear one for mine. The dude that had it before, he painted it black, and right now I'm taking off the paint from it. I'm using the it's called Premium Stripper. I got it at Walmart for like $5, and it takes it off hella fast. You just spray it on there and it bubbles up, and then you just wipe it off like hella quick. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing that. I'm gonna show you guys real quick, like a little. I'm just gonna spray it on. It starts bubbling up, and then you just like wipe it off, and it starts coming off. It comes out hella quick. These are kind of shiny too. All I used was this one. It's like $5. You probably wouldn't even use like the whole can. And it takes it off hella quick. Alright, I'm gonna take off the rest of it off, and I'll show you guys when it's done. To put the rear bar on, you have to take off the bumper, like how I did right here. And I'm gonna muck it up real quick. My brother's gonna muck it up real fast. And it goes, you just hold it by that bolt and that one.
Bracket right here in the middle.
And then that bracket. And then the bolt right there in the bottom. I'm gonna do a quick time lapse and put it on, and then show you guys how it goes on with the bolts and everything. That's fun. Since I got the bumper off, I'm gonna put these LED lights, or SMDs 194. These are the white ones. These are the orange ones. I'm gonna put on the front to replace the front ones. I'm gonna replace the back ones with these ones. And I'm gonna turn them on, and I'll show you how they look.
It's reaching your name. Yeah.
That's how it looks bolted on. Now I'm just gonna put the bumper on and show you how it looks with the bumper on. This is how it looks when it's all put together, when the bumper's on and everything all bolted on. The side one. These are everyone's CRVs. Mine, Tito's, my brother Willie's. I'm gonna show you guys some quick rollers of the CRV that Tito took, and while Willie was driving his. I'm gonna post it up right now in 3, 2, 1. That's it for this video about the rear Nerf bar, the OEM one. If you guys are trying to install this one, hope it help out some of you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna be posting out some more videos of us going off-roading on our CRVs, and yeah, these are all of our CRVs right here, the lifted ones. Comment down below which one you guys like. If you like mine, Tito's, or my brother Willie's. He still got some more shit to do to it, but that's about it. And yeah, if you guys like the video, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be posting some more videos.